Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs on laptop and PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so a brief overview about Google Docs and how you can simply use it. Google Docs, it works greatly just like Microsoft Word. So if you don't have access to Microsoft Office, you can use Google Docs for free. It's as simple as that. So let's see how we can simply access Google Docs and how you can use it on your browser with Chrome. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here. And then what you need to do here is to click on this box right here. And this is going to drop down. Then from here, you can simply scroll down here and then make sure you navigate to Docs. So click on Docs and it's going to open up like so. Now from the home page right here, you have different types of templates that you can use. You can scroll down right here and see different templates by different section. Now from the top right here where we have start a new document. Now from the top we have resume, then you have project proposal template, you have brochure template. Then come down below right here, you have documents, recent documents by different publisher. Can be found right here, such as Write Comprehensive, Resume, under template right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different types of. You can see recent documents owned by anyone. So you can click on owned by anyone right here and click on owned by anyone, owned by me, not owned by me. Click on not owned by me, then you'll be able to see other people template that you can use. So these are different templates right here. You can redesign and customize to your own taste, just like so. You can click on these three dots right there and you can delete or make it available offline for proper editing, or you open in a new tab. Then right here you can click on this dot right here to hide any of the templates, or better still click on here and show more templates from the bottom right here. So we have CVs from the top right here. As you can see, CVs. You can scroll down and see letters. This allow you to get free letterhead. Personals. These are pet resume. Then right here you have different types of work formats such as project proposal, meetings notes, brochure, newsletter. You can scroll down and all. You can see there are a lot of templates right here that you can simply select on any one of it and then you start using it for your next project. It's as simple as that. So let's say for instance you want to get a letterhead for free. What you need to do is to come to the business letter right here, click on this one right here, and the template is going to load up to a page like this. Then here you can edit your company name, you can enter your name, your address, your phone number, your email address, and at the likes you can scroll down right here, put in your CEO name and company name. Then but one thing here is that you cannot edit this letterhead. Then right here for the body of the letter, click on here, delete the message right here and enter your new text. It's as simple as that. So you can simply use Google Docs to create free letterhead for your business. So let's simply go back to Google Docs homepage. So I'm going to simply click on here and to take us back to the homepage. So basically, this is how to simply use Google Docs template for your business. Okay. So alternatively, if you don't want to use any template on Google Docs, what you can do right here is to create a custom template. And for you to do that, simply click on blank document right here and it's going to load up like so. There it will take you to a new blank page whereby you can start to create your document. It works greatly just like MS Word. Now, if you want to set up your page right here, what you need to do is to simply go to File, then from File, go to Page Setup, and this is going to pump up right there. Then here, you can simply set up your page. Different page orientation is applicable right here. So you can add pageless or you can add pages. The number, the whole document, then you can make it portrait or landscape. This depends on whatever you want to achieve. Then you can come to paper size right here. So you can simply create any type of paper size by default right here. These are available paper size. So I'm going to put it in A5. Then page color, you can assign any type of page color as the case may be. Then from the top right here, you can set as your default if you want to create as many as possible page settings for this type of document. Then hit on OK, and you have your page set up right here. Then you can start to create your documents just like so. Then you can play around with some of the tools from the top right here. So there are a lot of tools here: format, tool, extension, help, and accessibility. Then from the top right here, you have zoom to 100% or 200%. This allows you to zoom in and zoom out as much as possible. Then text format right here, you can choose different types of heading. Then right here, you can use this button here to choose different types of font for your design. Then right here you have bold, you have italics, you have underline, you have color, text color, and you have highlight color. Then you can add a link into your template. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply have access to Google Docs and how you can use it on PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.